Hello everyone, my name is Chetan Singh. I am the managing partner at BP Impex. We are exporters of spare parts for Indian manufactured vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the previous video or the first video of this 6 video series where I talk about 5 new models of the Mahindra. These are models which are coming up, which are being introduced by Mahindra, and slowly they will be showing up on your streets. As spare parts people, we need to make sure that we have the correct spare parts for these models when the demand comes in. So in this second video, I will be talking about the new Scorpio pickup. I will be talking about all the differences in the engine, the suspension, the clutch, the brake and the body of this vehicle. So let's move on and let's start. The first difference that I want to talk about today is the engine of this new pickup. The engine in this new pickup is the same as what was used on the previous version, which is the 2.2 liter M-Hawk version. Within India, there are certain micro and IntelliHybrid systems which are introduced in the SUV version of the Scorpio, but in the pickup it's mostly the diesel engine which is being exported. The two parts which I want to talk about today in this video are the air filter assemblies and the fuel filter assembly. The air filter in the newer model is slightly bigger in dimensions as per the older model. This is the newer model air filter. Dimensions of this filter are 330 mm length, 210 mm width, and the height is 60 mm. Whereas the older model, which is also a similar foam filter, size length 320, width 200, and the height is 55 mm. Both these air filters are available in various aftermarket and OEM options with BP Impex. The second part is the fuel filter assembly. This is the fuel filter assembly being used in the older models. This is the Bosch 1457 434 314 part number. Fitted with a fuel filter head and 2 sensors, this becomes the complete fuel filter assembly. When buying this filter, you need to make sure you're getting either a genuine Bosch or an original Mahindra part. There are many spurious options available in the market. The newer model one uses the part number 0305 DAM 00570N. This filter is the complete filter assembly being used in the later S model series, the S7, S6, S10 and S11. It uses the 1001 CAA 14881N filter as the base, commonly known as the zigzag filter. It is also available in various options at BP Impex. This filter is also common in many Japanese and American vehicles as well. Another important area which is completely different in the new model Scorpio versus the old model Scorpio is the brakes. Both the front and the rear brakes have completely different systems of working and completely different fitments. Starting with the front brakes. This is the front brake pad which is used in the normal Scorpio M-Hawk in India and also is available in all the models which are exported outside of India. Now, when the newer model of the Scorpio was launched in India, many models are still using the same model brake pad. However, when the model was exported out of India, this model was used instead of this model for the brake pad. As you can see, this model is completely different from this one and there are visible differences in the fitment. This is part number 0603 BB0150N and this is part number 0603 BAB 0023KT. Both are available in different OEM options as well as aftermarket options with us. Moving on to the brake discs in the old model versus the new model. As you can see, the diameter is actually the same. They are both a 298 mm brake disc. In the older model M-Hawk, they were using this brake disc which I'm holding right now, and in the newer model of this M-Hawk, they came up with an ABS ring which was fitted in this part of the brake disc. Now the later S series Scorpios, they are using this brake disc which is obviously a completely different brake disc. The main difference is due to the height of this brake disc. Talking about the rear brakes, as you can see, the brake shoes are completely different from in the old model versus the new model. They have a completely different fitment. Also talking about the brake drum, it is a completely different drum in the old model versus the new model. The old model comes with a 295 mm brake drum and the newer model, part number 0602 AAB 0330N, is the newer model brake drum which has a smaller ID than the older model brake drum. Also, I would like to highlight one difference which I did not talk about, which I don't have physically available over here, is the wheel cylinder. All these brake parts which you see are available in our brand N-Tec, and also we have the genuine assemblies which I will just show you right now. So this is the brake assembly of the new model Scorpio. As you can see, it is the complete brake assembly with all the springs fitted, the wheel cylinder fitted, and the shoes fitted in it. This is available in an OEM option and a brand new genuine option from BP Impex. Talking about the suspension of the old model versus the new model, if you look at them, they seem pretty similar. However, there are many differences in the overall suspension of the two models. This is the upper ball joint of the older model, which is very fast moving, and now slowly this model as well has started to sell, which is the upper ball joint of the new Scorpio. This is the lower ball joint, and this is the lower ball joint of the old model, and this is the lower ball joint of the new model. The tie rod ends, as you can see, are of the old model. The only difference between the tie rod ends of the old and the new model is the difference in the, or rather I should say the small difference in the size of these two models. Then again, coming to the stabilizer linkage, as you know, in the older model Scorpio, there is this model of the suspension stabilizer linkage, and also there is one more model which comes in with a single joint instead of these double joints. The newer model, all models come with a double joint stabilizer linkage. These are the rack ends or the inner ball joints of the old model versus the new model. The only difference between the two models is a difference in the size of the inner ball joints. Like the difference in the outer ball joints, the difference in the inner ball joints is only that of the size. So as we have gone through all the different suspension parts, the tie rod ends, the rack ends, the linkages, the lower and upper ball joints, obviously the bushings in the suspension arms and the suspension arms itself will be completely different in the new model versus the old model. The shock absorbers will also be different in the two-wheel and the four-wheel versions of the new model from the older model Scorpio pickups. This is a very big difference in the suspension of the newer model of the S series Scorpio, and also I do not have the shockers displayed here right now, but the shockers between the two wheels and the four-wheel drive are also different, and they are also available in various OEM and aftermarket brands. For these suspension spares, they are mostly very fast moving in our brand N-Tec, and we have a very good response from our customers for this brand. Now, talking about the difference between the old model versus the new model of this pickup, this is something that you will have to check up in your own market, because in the new model pickup, some of the models are still using the old model M-Hawk clutch disc and clutch cover. This is the 240 mm clutch disc, and this is the 240 mm clutch cover. It has a 21 spline hub of the disc, and coming to the new model, this is part number 0801CAA01411N. This comes with also comes with a 21 spline clutch disc, but the difference is the diameter of the clutch disc. So you can see that this is a 240 mm clutch disc and this is a 260 mm clutch disc. Another main difference to point out is the slave cylinder, the concentric slave cylinder, which these two models are using. This one being used in the older models is a 3-hole concentric slave cylinder. This is part number 0802CAA04380N, and the newer model is using this concentric slave cylinder, which is a 2-hole concentric slave. This comes under part number 0802CAA06541N. There are various options of aftermarket and OEM brands which are available for the clutch disc, the clutch cover, and the concentric slave cylinders. Coming to the last point which I want to talk about in this video, it is the visible difference in the body of the new and the old Scorpio pickup. I cannot have here the fender, the hood, the bumpers, which are all visibly different in the new model than the old model. What I have with me here is the new model Scorpio headlight and the old model Scorpio headlight. Both are now available in our brand N-Tec. As you have seen in our previous videos as well, we take great care in packaging headlamps and mirrors and other such delicate parts, and we make sure that the glass, the fitments and such parts of the headlamps reach you safely and securely. So these are the main differences in the spare parts of Scorpio which I could talk about today. I hope you found this video useful in expanding the variety of spare parts in your warehouse. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Please do like and share this video, and also subscribe to our channel for getting regular updates to the new videos which will be coming out soon.